Nvidia is one of the most important companies in global markets today. But to understand why, you first need to understand how Nvidia actually makes money. In this video, we'll explain Nvidia's business model, why growth has exploded, the real competitive moat, the key risks investors must watch. Nvidia makes money by designing high-performance computing chips, mainly GPUs. These are sold into data centers, cloud providers, AI model training, gaming, professional visualization. But hardware alone is not the full story. The real strength is Nvidia's ecosystem, CUDA software platform, AI developer tools, AI libraries and frameworks. This creates strong customer lock-in. Once companies build AI systems using Nvidia tools, switching becomes expensive and difficult. Artificial intelligence requires massive computing power. Training AI models requires advanced chips, large data centers, massive infrastructure investment. This has created a new global investment cycle, and Nvidia currently sits at the center of it. AI demand shock. Demand for AI computing power surged globally. Hyperscaler spending. Companies like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google are investing billions into AI infrastructure. Pricing power. High demand and limited supply created strong pricing power for Nvidia. Competition. AMD and custom chips from large technology companies could reduce dependence on Nvidia over time. Cyclicality. Technology infrastructure spending historically moves in cycles. Valuation risk. High expectations can create large stock price swings if growth slows. Instead of focusing on short-term price moves, investors often watch data center revenue growth, AI capital spending trends, profit margins, order pipeline signals. These metrics often matter more than headlines. Nvidia is not just a company, it reflects the broader AI infrastructure cycle shaping global markets. Understanding business models, macro cycles, and risk drivers is essential if you want to think like smart institutional investors rather than short-term traders. If you want deeper, macro-driven market insights, you can visit macrotradelab.com, where we help private investors, that is managing their own personal investments for free.